Welcome to the University of Arkansas Community College, Batesville. Enjoy your flight. The Arts and Sciences building contains 3 unique lab spaces utilized for biology, anatomy, chemistry, and physical science. ASB also houses multiple classrooms and the faculty offices for the Math and Science department. The main classroom building annex, also referred to simply as the Annex, is home to human resources, community education, career services, and the Bandit Burrow, our student lounge. The main classroom building is home to many of our student services. Here you will find the Student Success Center, which is our campus tutoring center, where you can receive free tutoring for many of your classes. MCB is also home to financial aid. From scholarships to loans, they are here to help you fund your education. Admissions is also located in MCB. Our admissions staff can help you with applying for college, learning more about the programs we offer, and can answer any questions you may have. MCB also houses our Academic Advising Center, Testing Center, Disability Services, TRIO Student Support Services, Career Pathways, several classrooms, faculty offices, the business office, and multiple computer labs. The Adult Education Building, as described by its name, houses our Adult Education Department. The Adult Education area includes adult basic education, assistance preparing to obtain the GED, and our English as a Second Language program. The Fine Arts Education Building is now home to a workshop for mechatronics as well as faculty offices for mechatronics and computer technology. At over 37,000 square feet, Independence Hall is a cornerstone of the UACCB campus in Independence County. In this building, you will find our bookstore, the grill, our 1,499-seat auditorium, a lecture hall, administrative offices, and our Chancellor's Suite. The Workforce Training Center is the newest building on the UACCB campus. It opened in February of 2020. This 15,000 square foot facility houses the faculty offices for our industrial technology programs, our new makerspace, and $1 million in state-of-the-art industrial equipment. Opened in January 2015, the Cosmetology building houses our cosmetology program, as well as a full-service salon that is open to the public. The salon includes 35 styling stations, as well as manicure and pedicure areas. The Nursing and Allied Health building is home to a lecture hall, faculty offices, and a variety of programs including EMT, paramedic, nursing assistant, practical nursing, and registered nursing. There are multiple classrooms and several interactive lab spaces. NAH is also home to our medical simulation lab, which assists our students in gaining hands-on experience utilizing lifelike mannequins and augmented reality simulators. The Roe Johns building houses the majority of our general education courses, as well as the offices for our faculty members in those areas. Also located in this building is the Roe Johns Library. The library contains group study areas, 30 computers for student and public use, and on Sunday afternoons you can often find faculty and tutors available to assist with last-minute homework assignments. We hope you enjoyed the tour of the UACCB campus, and we can't wait to see you in person.